Bakshi, in his opening remarks, Dr. Mehrotra also says that, we should be doing more on indigenous technology. We're not getting enough technology transfer, and there are people who are saying that, see, they have a switch-off button. Americans are very dangerous. You'll take the F-35 from them. Then when we're in a conflict that doesn't suit them, they will just press the stop button, and we won't be able to use those aircraft. That and the point about not doing enough indigenously, what's your take on it?
Thank you, Arnab. Thank you. Arnab, in the hoopla attention to the minutiae, we seem to have missed the bigger picture, right? Let me state unequivocally and bluntly, the Joe Biden administration had turned positively hostile towards India because it had changed one of the anchor premises of the India-US strategic cooperation. Let me explain, right? The anchor premise of the Indo-US strategic cooperation is that both of them had viewed a long-term strategic threat from China as an antagonist, as a combatant, as a competitor. This is what had brought us together into a strategic partnership. Therefore, American administrations had pivoted to Asia. The day Joe Biden came, he pivoted back to Europe. He said, not China, but Russia is my main enemy. And you better join this crusade to destroy Russia, or else you are either with us or you are against us. Arnab, he got the regime change done in Bangladesh. Arnab, he stabbed us in the back on the
he did.
light combat engine jet fighter deal. We had paid $1 billion, and for 2 years he said, get lost. Arnab, he encouraged the ISI, he encouraged Trudeau in Canada to poke India in the eye. This is a phase transition. Donald Trump is pivoting back to Asia. Donald Trump and his entire team view China as the principal threat. Donald Trump says, I have nothing to do with the war with Russia that Biden started. That is why you see the paradigm shift, Arnab.
Absolutely.
Which American administration had offered you the F-35 stealth jet fighter of the 5th generation, cutting edge technology? What we had been offered by the last administrations was F-16. For God help us, they gave it to Pakistan 30 years ago. I mean, what kind of a joke? You call us a member of the Quad. Japan has F-35s, Australia has F-35s, NATO countries have F-35s. This was not even an offer. See the phase transition. It is being offered to you now. We are talking about small modular nuclear reactors to power future Indian aircraft carriers. For God's sake, do you realize? And the most significant statement has gone unnoticed, slipped through. You know what Donald Trump said? Bangladesh is Modi's problem. Let him handle it. Here was Biden trying to undo the Indian victory of 1971. It's huge as it gets, Arnab. It can't get bigger. He said, that is India's sphere of influence. You handle it. And we already find that Muhammad Yunus has already gone towards the Middle East on his way out. So these are very, very major things. All this hoopla about
there are
Arnab.
no.